Cool. Hey guys, welcome to the video. First off, I want to say this is my first video, my first gaming video on YouTube. If you're watching this, thank you for watching. This video is just going to be essentially just me playing with friends, kind of like what it's like to play Meepo in Turbo. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. That's just the way it happens. You can't really counter pick in Turbo because, well, you don't really know who they're picking. So it's always kind of just like the luck of the draw. And I like to have a little bit of a challenge. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. You'll get to see my wins and losses.
You know what else I can give you?
What, or me? Huh?
Ask Abraham.
I have a contract with
Some good ditness.
10 seconds.
Oh, shit, right there.
He's always been the same.
Just
Yeah,
to inform
she
you
got
guys, I
blanked.
didn't get 9. I'm sorry.
It's all level 1 though.
I forget. That's what I'm saying.
No, like I'm talking level 1 though, like
I'll buy over
you would've had to all 5 hit from for sure.
Yeah, let's see if I can get this. Oh, is it
Food up here.
that way?
We're going for the
I got
Ow.
him. Got him.
Nice.
oh it's alright.
Cat block, Abraham?
I got Zeus. Yeah. Ooh. Nice.
Right to that.
Yeah.
If I had enough mana to win this, I'd take that shit. I'd take that shit 2 more days.
Are you? No. Yeah.
Oh shit, he's
Is that
got a
real?
ward there.
That is real.
Dude's missing top guys.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower!
I'm tower diving. I'm tower diving.
Come top.
Get up on out of here! Killing you, Brady!
I should have stayed bottom.
No, Rick, I gotta...
I gotta kill up. There's the ult, go in.
Your top tower's under attack!
Oh, watch out. Oh, got him. Still that. I mean, I still. Can't. Nice hold.
Whoa, initiating killing.
That's solid. I don't know which one's real. Here. Got a creep. That's plant.
Close. I'm in position.
Running towards my homie.
Oh, fuck.
Fucking me up.
Just got killed by Dyer.
I thought you guys were
He
getting the
owed me
Weaver.
money.
I'm good to go, bro, whenever you guys are. Start a fight, I can take bot.
Yeah, it's
Jeez, it's a killing spree! Oh boy, you feel like crazy. Tower! Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby! She's dominating!
good. Nice well. I killed Quad though. Cool. So we should kill him. Right there. kicking over that. Nice all.
Oh man, this guy's dominating!
Oh, you fucking idiot. Bad path.
Fucking dude.
It's all Sam Chris. The enemy bottom! The enemy top tower got destroyed! Oh. Hello? Can anyone hear me? It's a killing spree over here! They worked as a team, they hustled, got in there, took care of business, they won. Good work, Dyer.
I thought for sure they were gonna have like a good edge.
Nom 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 nom.
Securing the MVP.
Damn.
Dude, I got a hood for Keeper of the Light.
Damn. It's fucked up. Alright, who's staying?
Oh shit! I'll go bot.
I'm playing Invoker. Yeah.
Oh, they got some nasty magic damage. All their fucking heroes are magic.
Well, those
Okay.
the Bashi dudes, they were in the last game.
Fuck them hoes.
Why do they keep on banning Enigma?
Maybe because he's good.
When this fool Jacob said he was gonna play Enigma, I started banning him.
I speak it.
Since they're mostly
truth.
magic,
Oh, that's
I
why,
think
dude,
I'm
huh?
probably gonna go
Nah,
more
true.
Meepo on this one, just so I have more survivability when I go Mega Meepo.
Yeah, so the Bashi people, it was PL and AA.
What is that Meepo say?
Hey, don't you dare judge my Meepo.
Look at that fucker's face. He's twisted.
Wait.
He's a disgusting cute mess.
It starts! It started!
For calling me fucking black.
Oh man, they just got him for that first blood.
Easy med, GG, well played.
Kill, because they got a triple kill.
I'll take it. Watch the Sunstrike.
Yep. On it. Send it.
Oh. Veno went mid. Not enough damage. Range free. Not enough damage.
You're gonna be paying attention somewhere else, Wolf. Just stay close to tower, dude.
Back. Hey, watch out behind you, Meepo.
Alright, bro. Wing Jagger and Sam is coming in, bro. So we're good to go.
Mayan.
Oh,
Heaven, dude.
you're gonna do this. Looks like dire structures are fortified.
He's got a dagger.
Poison is keeping you from being able
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, she died, right?
No, she did not die. She's got ages still. Yo, those team doesn't look like they're fucking destined. Honestly, guys.
Later.
Alright, fuck it. And we don't get it, we'll just, you know, leave it for another time.
Cowardice.
Was a lot of damage, but it lasted.
What?
3-minute tower
Can you,
baby.
I maledicted him.
No, you didn't. You maledicted.
Yes, I did. I guarantee you maledicted.
Oh, no way.
You'd set it on this guy. Whoever shows it. You're good, dude.
I'm jumping
Yeah,
for that
no shit.
Tekis.
Okay, well they see you. You TP'd plain as day. They see you.
They used all their ults.
You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
With Meepo is the key to get Mega Meepo so he doesn't die from the.
I'll take
How
that.
does it work?
So when I go Mega Meepo, all the stats of my other Meepos go to my main Meepo, thus the Mega Meepo and all the health and damage and resistance and shit because of all the strength. But let's say one of my Meepos is like about to die, like one more hit and it's dead. If I Mega Meepo, I go full health, and that Meepo is safe until my Mega Meepo dissolves. But let's say my Mega Meepo is about to die, right? Then I dig, and dig restores 25% of my max HP. So then I kind of get like a second life, and then when my Mega Meepo breaks, I can have them all dig, and then my other Meepos, besides the main one, can dig, and then they can restore their HP, and then I can have my main Meepo get away, and then when they come off the ground, I can have them blink to my main Meepo.
Holy shit, bro! That was like a science textbook. Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm not an idiot. I'm an idiot.
Oh, hi. Yes, they're all there. They're all there. Right now.
Whoa, killing spree. Oh, dub-dub.
Yummy, coming. Yum yum.
Oh, it's an ultra kill.
Well,
Wiped out the Roshan guy.
I'll be back over the
Double kill. Oh, man.
Good combos. Take mid.
Friendly Ice Age.
Just got wrecked, baby! The enemy's bottom tower.
This just in!
Good work. Good work.
Can anyone hear me? It's a killing spree over here! They did, Rick! Did you see what they did?
Frankly, Morty, no. Wasn't paying attention. Enemy bot. Riggedy wreck, son!
I'm trying to get in there with you. I can't.
Not so fast, Morty.
He's unstoppable! They're radiant! They're good! And they won!
Keep Morty relaxed. It's not like your life's gonna get any better because of it.
Yeah. It's your boy. Peace out. That was it. Cool. All right. So, with that being the first video, I just want to say, I by no means do I claim to be a pro Meepo. Not even close. Meepo's a hero that I've played for many years, but it's just enjoying the hero, because I think, to me personally, in my opinion, he is my favorite hero and he's the funnest to play. So if I play like shit, it's probably because I just like playing recklessly with him, and I by no means take the game seriously to where I would actually try it, unless I'm in like an all pick, or especially a ranked. But I often don't play ranked. I'll sometimes will, but not too often. With that being said, if you like Meepo content, thank you for watching. Hopefully you stick longer. I would like to do some challenges and, hey, possibly even better my Meepo so I could play ranked with him. Not that I don't, but, you know, maybe a little bit better in the future, get to a higher rank. So, yeah, I just want to finish off the video by saying that. If you stuck this long, thank you for watching, and I appreciate you. Peace.